Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission in the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video guys, we'll be working on a Ford Focus MK3 generation 2012 to 2013. 2012-2018, excuse me, and we'll show you guys where to find the fuse for the windshield wiper motors. So you have two motors actually, and one fuse that controls both of them. We have a special video how to synchronize and rewarm the wipers because it's a little bit of a complicated wiper system. In the meantime, we'll have more than 200 videos on this car, so please guys subscribe to the channel for more videos, and if you need help with anything, drop a comment below and we'll try to make a video for you. So what do we need to do? Okay, we need to open the hood now. Once you open the hood, we need to locate your fuse box, which is located right here. You can see this is your fuse box. Now the tap is on the back side and you need to spread it towards the back, lift up and pull the box out, the lid out. Okay, this thing you need to go like that. On the back side you can see the number of different fuses, and in our case we need to locate fuse number 18. Number 18 will be this fuse, okay, right here. So we'll need to come to this row and it will be, in our case, a 20 amp fuse. Yours might be different depending on the model that you have and all that stuff. So usually you can check those, okay, you can see the elements inside and see if it's burned, but I would recommend to always remove it and double test it. Okay, we'll show you how. So you have to make sure that this is not burned, because sometimes it could be not so obvious and you can think it's okay, but it's not. So I'll get a screwdriver, because that fuse pull, I was not able to pull the big fuses with it, just the small fuses. Works good on the big ones, I couldn't. So I'll go ahead. Okay, I wouldn't recommend using a screwdriver. There is a special plastic too, but if you're careful you can do it. Careful not to damage your box, but gently, okay, pry up, and with your finger, okay, pry it up as well. Okay, and you can see the fuse, guys, is out. Now, okay, those are the two elements inside. You can see the copper element here, they look fine, but how we're going to test that now? Okay, we're going to use our voltmeter here. We'll set it to continuity, okay, like that. And what happens now? Okay, if the fuse is not burnt, if it's a good fuse, it's like touching these two LEDs together, and you're going to hear a beep and going to 0, which means there is connection. If it's burnt, it's like that, showing 1, like there is no connection. So I'll just put one LED here, the other one over there. Okay, and in our case, our fuse is good. So this is the fuse for your front windshield wipers, guys. If you have a hatchback that has a rear wiper, there will be a different fuse, so we'll have the video on the channel as well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Hopefully guys the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.